The truth is a diesel engine usually has lower CO2 emissions than a corresponding gasoline engine. And with the latest Euro 6D emissions standards on the old continent, the NOx emissions are almost on par between the two 0.06 grams per kilometer for gasoline engines and 0.08 grams per kilometer for diesel engines. It may already be too late to save the diesel engine, though. The French company, through the voice of its CEO Luca De Meo, has confirmed it will no longer invest money in the development of new generation diesel engines. However, the automaker's top brass has unveiled the existing DCI units will be adapted to meet the stricter emissions standards. It's safe to say Renault has already phased out the diesel engine to a large extent. A few of the company's models are no longer available with a compression ignition motor, and many of the upcoming models are set to lose the diesel options of their predecessors. Even Dacia, Renault's budget brand, switched to a diesel-free range for its latest generation of cars in Europe.